To create an individual account and apply for a certification, go to NCCDP.org. You will click on the Certifications button at the top, scroll down to Certified Dementia Practitioner, and click Learn More. You will scroll down and click on Apply Today. Here it will take you to the member portal login, but instead you will click Create an Account. Here is where you will fill out your first name, your last name, and your email. You will then create a password that meets all of the requirements that are listed in red on the right, and your email will become your username. Then you will fill out your phone number and your address. Click Validate to make sure that information saves, and then fill out the other information as it applies to you, like your job title and your profession. Click Create Individual Account, and here is where you will select your email preferences. So if you would like to receive emails from NCCDP, make sure to check these boxes. Click Return to Home. Now that you've created an account, you need to apply for a certification. Click Certifications and then Apply for Certification, and then click Certification Application. Here is where you will click which certification you would like to apply for and the option that applies to you. Fill out each section of the application, making sure to click Save or Continue, and then at the very end, you can click Review and Confirm.